Monica, for you, I'm getting a spiritual journey is opening up for you. So you just need to accept that with open arms. And intuitively, you're getting a lot of messages as to what to do, how to go about it, so that you can balance your inner happiness as well as the money flow that's coming in. So be open to receiving that. Don't block yourself thinking that sometimes, people believe that people in spirituality can't earn, or if you're doing something spiritual you shouldn't charge, or you shouldn't charge more. So whatever those beliefs are, don't let that hold you back from going into the spiritual field, because it's beautiful. A journey that's so beautiful is waiting to open up for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Binayfa, for that. Let's go to our next speaker, Archana Bhandarkar. She's going to be introduced for the first time on this forum. Any questions, Archana, for our Destiny Reader? You're muted, sweetheart. You'll have to unmute yourself. Just unmute yourself. Yes.
Hi.
Hi. Any questions for everybody?
This is a very interesting science. I would just like to understand more about Kauri reading. I've never heard about this.
Okay. So basically, I have a chart. One second.
Yeah. And she's going to teach us, guys, whenever you guys are ready to learn. वो तो सीखना है, तुमको सीखना है कि नहीं? ये देखिए.
This is the chart, and these images are channeled by me. One, and we have a certain way of reading the chart, and these are the kauris which are hand painted with different symbols. So each symbol has a specific meaning to it, and when they are cast on the chart after asking a question, the formation it makes, we do a reading with that.
Oh, okay, very interesting. So this is more like tarot.
Not really.
You could see tarot has fixed formats and fixed way of opening the cards. This, every time you ask a question, there's a different formation. So yeah, if you call it as a method of divination or a method of asking questions and answers, yeah, that in that way is similar, but otherwise it's very different.
Wow.
अर्चना के लिए एक general reading कर दे आप.
So any questions?
No,
Any questions?
I don't think she has any questions.
Okay.
I can ask a question on her behalf.
Sure.
ना इतना तो पूछ ही सकती हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ. ये वापस आई हैं बहुत सालों के बाद. She's come back after years back to India to go for
15
good.
years.
After 15 years. How will her journey be now in India?
Okay. Okay. So Archana, it's going to be a beautiful journey, more with focus on family, more with focus on inner happiness. And you just need to change your perspective about a few things. Maybe adjusting will take a while. Getting used to new ways of working will take a while. So if that is done, it's going to be a very smooth transition for you. And please don't feel bad about asking for help. Be open and ask for help, and things will be even more smooth for you. Thank you.
Absolutely, Archana, you have friends here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Binayfa. Thank you, Anu.
Let's do a reading for Aarti. She anyway gets it every day. वो हर रोज टिप देती है तो हम उसके लिए reading कर देते हैं.
Aarti, any questions?
क्या सवाल है उसका?
Okay, Aarti, again, focus on inner happiness. It's fallen there. So do what makes you feel happy, and don't block yourself from just soaring ahead. There is a lot waiting for you to unfold within yourself. So just let that out, and it's going to be beautiful. And a lot of karmic clearing is happening for you right now. So things are going to get brighter anyway. So just accept that and just be in that flow.
Wonderful. Let's do a reading for Nafisa.
Thank you. Most welcome.
Thank you. Let's do a reading for Nafisa. Nafisa, any question? Welcome to the group.
Thank you, Anu. No specific questions as such.
General reading kar do.
Yeah.
Thank you. Of course, you can ask a question, Ritesh. Just go ahead and type your question on the Facebook.
Nafisa, you're feeling maybe very claustrophobic right now. A lot of things happening, not happening at the same time. So what you need to do is you just need to just let go of beliefs and patterns which are not suiting you right now. And the way you can do it easily is to just keep chanting, just keep praying, whatever you are comfortable with. So go ahead and do that, and things are going to open up. It is going to take time. It's right now it's showing a little tough time for you to adjust to a lot of things. But the minute you use your intuition and go with the flow with the certain things, it's going to be a little easier on you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Let's go with Ritesh. He's asked, he's not asked a question, but he's asked for a reading. So just go ahead and do a reading for him with an intention that he's on the Facebook right now.
Okay, Ritesh, for you, I'm getting you need to really start praying or use some protection for yourself. You may not be going through a smooth patch with family. Some issues are happening. So just go ahead and work on yourself, and relationships will open up. It is showing a good time in relationships, in family, but after a short struggle. So once that patch goes through, it's going to be a smoother road ahead. Just be careful about protecting yourself, protecting your aura, and things will be fine soon. Thank you.
Wonderful. We have 3 more people who are requesting. Pari has asked for a reading. So let's start with Pari first.
Hi, Anu. Today I have a question. Please.
Go ahead. Please ask the question, Pari.
Actually, this is the first time my payments have been delayed for almost 7 months now. And now it's like I need the payment. So will I get this week or next week? Because now it's like I don't want to break my savings. Abhi tak ka ho gaya, otherwise nahi hua, then I have to break my savings, which I don't want to.
Okay. Pari, it is going to take a while longer. It's not showing in the next month at least.
Okay.
So you might just have to hang on for a month. Could possibly stretch to 2, but let's hope for the best. And I could take it at the month at least.
No problem.
Thank you.
Anu, you're saying something, you're muted.
Next reading is for Ami. Thank you so much, Pari. I didn't realize I muted myself. So next reading is requested by Ami. There's also another person on Facebook asking for reading. So let's read for Ami first.
Ami, any questions?
No, could be general, please.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Yes,
Ami, for you, you're getting Ami, you're getting a lot of messages as regards to family, as how to manage certain situations. So I just suggest you change your point of view, how you're looking at things, how you're managing things, and things will, sort out on its own. you need to be happy within yourself. That is one thing that you need to really work on, is inner happiness, inner peace. And ask people for help. If you feel that you're really stressed out, you can just go in for a healing session, go in for a therapy session, and that will really clear up a lot of blocks and open new pathways for you, which you may not have even imagined that are possible. Thank you.
Wonderful. Another reading for Kish. And then we have
Kish.
2 people from Facebook who are asking questions.
Okay.
And then we don't take any more questions. We have to go to the next speaker. Thank you.
Anu, you said Kish. What
Yes,
name did you?
Kesh, Kesh. I don't know
Kesh.
how to pronounce her name. Kesh.
Okay, so Kesh, for you, I'm getting that you need to take advice from somebody who's really wise, somebody who you look up to, and for maybe if you want to invest or any money matters, you need to take advice right now. Money is coming in, but you need to plan properly for that. And again, you need to just change your perspective a bit about things, how you're going ahead according to the family. That also you need to check. And overall, I'm getting a good chart for you, nothing to worry about as such, except for protecting yourself from negativity, because there may not be too many people around you who are wishing you well currently. So as long as you're protected, things will be smooth. Thank you.
Wonderful. We have 2 people. One is a lawyer on the Facebook who is asking. His name is Ritesh Goyal, and he's saying, will I excel in my profession? So Ritesh, this is for you.
Yes, Ritesh, I'm getting a very good career growth for you right now as a lawyer. And but you will have to learn how to balance family and work, and also your, I could say, your inner self. So don't let things go out of hand. Like, you need to balance, how can I say it? I wouldn't use the word integrity, but just use your conscience while going ahead with whatever you're doing, and things will work out. There is good money for you, and career-wise, it's pretty stable for you. Thank you.
Wonderful. We have a question from Surabhi. She's saying if you can do a general reading for her.
Sure.
The last question that I'm taking is of Pradeep, and then we go to the next speaker. Just want to say thank you to all the people on the Facebook as well as here for supporting us. Thank you.
Surabhi, for you, you need to really work on protecting yourself, on just being together for yourself. So you just start chanting, start doing some meditation or some healing modality, which is going to keep you safe, which is going to keep you grounded, because that's what you really need right now. And be close to your family, take the support of your family, and things will be okay. Thank you.
Wonderful. We have